Hello and welcome. So happy to have you here. Today, we're making a wholesome and delicious veggie bake with mushrooms. Start with 1 zucchini. Slice it thinly into medium rounds. Aren't zucchini dishes just the best? So healthy and tasty. Make sure the slices are nice and thin. This helps them bake evenly. Place the sliced zucchini into a deep bowl. Sprinkle with salt to help draw out excess moisture. Give it a good toss so all pieces get evenly coated. Now peel a potato. I love using my peeler. It makes the job so easy and smooth. I'm using 1 large potato, but 2 small ones work too. Slice it very thinly, just like the zucchini. Line your air fryer basket with parchment paper. This helps keep the bake moist and juicy. Add a layer of sliced potatoes to the bottom. Spread them out evenly. Isn't this looking beautiful already? Time to peel a red onion. I adore its flavor, so sweet and juicy. Today, I'm slicing it into long strips. Feel free to cut it your favorite way. Love this vibrant color. Peel the garlic cloves. You'll need 5 to 6. Slice them into thin pieces. Look at those pretty uniform slices. Sprinkle the onion over the potatoes. Don't use it all. Save a handful for the top layer. Next, layer in the garlic. Now it's mushroom time. You'll need about 200 grams. Slice them thinly too. Meanwhile, the salted zucchini has released its moisture. Time to squeeze it out. Add the zucchini on top of the veggie layers. Then add the sliced mushrooms. Just look at this gorgeous veggie composition. Take 100 grams of all-purpose flour and sift it. This gives you a nice, lump-free batter. Crack 4 eggs and add them to the flour. No need to separate yolks and whites. How convenient. Pour in 100 grams of cream. Mix well until smooth. You can use a blender if you like. You'll get a lovely, smooth base for the batter. Season with salt to taste. Add a dash of smoked paprika. I love using it in my recipes. Season more if you'd like. Stir everything together one more time. pour the mixture over the veggies. Place the basket in the air fryer. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. While that bakes, slice one small sweet pepper. That's all you need. Pick some fresh basil and pluck the leaves off the stems. Chop the basil finely. About 5 minutes before it's done, remove the basket. Perfect. Just what we need. Top the hot-baked mushrooms with 70 grams of shredded hard cheese. Use your favorite kind. Add the rest of the red onion. Sprinkle on the fresh basil. And finish with the bright red pepper. Pop the basket back in and bake for another 5 to 6 minutes. And there you have it. Our veggie bake is ready. Isn't it lovely? Just what we needed. Cut it into 4 equal pieces. Look at that perfect texture. It baked just right. Plate it up and enjoy while it's warm. Bon appetit! Please support our channel by subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to share this simple, delicious recipe with your friends.